How to copy Instagram link. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to your home page. Now at the bottom you will find different icons. Tap on this profile icon of yours. After you land to your profile, at the top right corner you will find three bars. Tap on it. Now from here you have to select this option of QR code. Open it. Now here you can find this option of copy link. You can just tap on it and you have just copied Instagram link. Now you can easily share this link and whoever open this links, it will directly land to your Instagram profile. Likewise, you can also share this QR code. Also here you will get this option of share profile. You can tap on it and from here you can easily share your Instagram link to different social media platform as messages, messenger, WhatsApp, Pinterest and so on. This is how you easily copy link on your Instagram. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.